Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with a product that's set to revolutionize the way you use steel bath organizers. Join us on this journey as we uncover the features and functionalities that make this steel bath organizers an absolute game changer. Whether you're a professional looking to streamline your workflow or someone seeking convenience in your day-to-day life, the top 5 best steel bath organizers has been meticulously crafted to meet your needs. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. YASONIC Shower Caddy Adhesive No Drill Bathroom Shower Organizers. Easy to install and very durable. The YASONIC Shower Caddy is a great solution for keeping the bathroom organized without drilling or damaging walls. Installation was effortless. Just peel and stick the adhesive, and it holds firmly in place. The shelves are surprisingly sturdy and easily support heavy shampoo, conditioner, and body wash bottles without slipping. I really like the sleek black design, which looks modern and stylish in my bathroom. The removable hooks are a thoughtful touch, perfect for hanging razors, loofahs, or washcloths. Best of all, the caddies are rust-proof, so they stay looking new even after months of use in a wet shower environment. This set is practical, strong, and space-saving, making it perfect for both small and large bathrooms. For the price, it's an excellent value and highly recommended. Number 2. YASONIC Corner Shower Caddy 3-pack adhesive bathroom caddy with soap holder. Sturdy, stylish, and space-saving caddy. The YASONIC 3-pack corner shower caddy is perfect for organizing a bathroom without drilling holes. Installation was super easy. The adhesive is very strong and keeps the shelves firmly in place, even when loaded with large shampoo and conditioner bottles. I really like that it comes with a soap holder, which keeps my bar soap dry and clean. The triangular design makes excellent use of corner space, saving room while adding plenty of storage capacity. The rust-proof construction is reliable, and even after daily exposure to water, it still looks brand new. The sleek black finish blends well with modern bathroom decor. These caddies stay secure, don't slip, and are easy to clean. Overall, it's a practical, durable, and stylish solution for bathroom organization at a great price. Number 3. 5-pack rust-proof stainless steel shower caddy. No drill adhesive bathroom organizer. Durable, spacious, and easy to install. The EUDELE 5-pack stainless steel shower caddy set is one of the best organizers I've purchased. Installation was quick and simple. No drilling, just strong adhesive that sticks firmly to the wall without damaging tiles. Each shelf is spacious enough to hold multiple full-size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash bottles, and they remain steady without wobbling. The rust-proof stainless steel design makes it both durable and stylish, and it still looks brand new after weeks of daily use in a humid bathroom. I also appreciate the variety in shelf sizes, which makes it easy to organize not only bathroom essentials, but also kitchen items and cleaning supplies. This set truly maximizes storage space while keeping everything neat and accessible. Great quality and excellent value. Number 4. SEIRIONE Rustproof Shower Corner Caddy Organizer for Bathroom for adjustable shelves. Strong, adjustable, and perfect for organization. The SEIRIONE Shower Corner Caddy is a fantastic addition to my bathroom. The tension pole design makes it easy to set up without drilling, and it fits securely from floor to ceiling. I love that the 4 shelves are fully adjustable, so I can position them at the perfect height for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and other items. The rust-proof construction ensures it stays in great condition even with constant exposure to water. Each shelf is sturdy and holds heavy bottles without slipping or bending. It not only saves space, but also keeps everything neatly organized and within reach. The sleek design looks modern and blends well with my bathroom decor. Overall, this caddy is strong, spacious, and excellent value for the price. Number 5. Veken Rustproof and Waterproof Shower Caddy 6-pack. Perfect storage solution for bathroom and kitchen. The Veken 6-pack shower caddy is exactly what I needed to keep my bathroom organized. Installation was quick and effortless. No drilling, no tools, just strong adhesive that holds securely. Each shelf feels sturdy and can handle multiple full-size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash bottles without slipping. The added soap holder is a great bonus and keeps everything within easy reach. I love that the racks are rust-proof and waterproof, so they stay looking brand new even in a humid bathroom. The sleek design fits well with any decor and saves so much space. I also use one in the kitchen for spices and cleaning supplies, and it works perfectly. Excellent quality, large capacity, and great value for the price. Highly recommend. All from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.